Hello my friends, how's everybody doing out there in the YouTube world today? Today we are back out here on the VMAX, and yes, this is going to be my last ride on the VMAX before I get the carbs cleaned. As we're going for a little ride here, and then shortly after the ride we're going to be pulling the carbs out of this bad boy and we're going to rebuild them, and hopefully that will take care of all the situations that we need to take care of, and then this thing will be running primely, superbly, and all that other stuff that we wanted to do. But I wanted to get out, of course, before it starts getting torn apart, because once we get the cars rebuilt, I do not know how long it'll take before I have a chance to put them back in. So I figured I'd get a little ride in, put a few miles on it. I'm not gonna put that many miles on it, but it's the way it's running right now, like it was the last time I was on it, not running great. So I just want to make sure that I'm not going to stall it out. But I just want to spend a little time with it. This is only the third ride on it since I've had it in Pennsylvania, and that is because we all know we had the titling problems, and then it's just running bad. You can feel when the fuel starts flowing a little bit better, you can feel it kick in through the RPM range. And this is actually the first day that I've had it out, and the 3 times I've had it out, that it is not wet outside. Go fucking figure, right? That's some amazing stuff right there, that it's not wet out. But since I have it running and hopefully not stalling, because I'm not going to turn it off at this point in time, I might as well get a couple pictures of it. Neutral. Since I really don't take pictures of it. Oh, fuck. Oh, goddamn. Alright. That's good. Start it right back up. That sure is a pretty bike. All right. Got some pictures of it, so let's get back on it and ride it. Shouldn't these kids be in school right now? Since it is a weekday. It don't handle too bad. So, the next time you see me ride this bike, hopefully it'll be running a lot better. Hopefully everything with the rebuild on the carbs will go well. Put it in. Set it up and be good to go, and I can start riding this on a more regular basis, at least more than what I have been, or more than what I am right now, because I really haven't been riding it. Like I said, this is only the third time I've ridden it since I got it registered in my name. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be fun once I get this sorted out, and it will be sorted out soon. So that's where I'm gonna end it. Until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe, y'all love one another. Peace.